White Lightning is a TRD Off-Road 4x4. I've had her for a little over 2 years now, and she's treated me to a bunch of adventures. I've gone places that I never thought I'd be able to go, and it's all because of the Taco. So let's show you around. So we're gonna start in the front of the car. On the bottom here, I have a full RCI skid plate. After going on a few trails, it was just evident that that is something you need if you want to protect the undercarriage of your car. In addition to that, I do have some Cali raised sliders with a kick out on the end. For suspension components, we're running the Fox 2.5s. I have the stock coilovers in there. And in regards to the wheels, we're running Method race wheels. I love the bead grip technology. I usually deflate to about 12 to 10 PSI. I haven't had any issues, no debeading. So now when we're talking about tires, there's none other than the BFG KO2s. So just to touch on the tire size I'm running a 265 70/17. My wheels are 17-inch wheels. I think they make the tires look a little bit bigger and make the stance just a little bit beefier. This tire size has gotten me everywhere I've needed to go. Any extreme 4x4, I'll leave that to the rock crawlers. So moving on, we'll go up to the rack here. Of course, I had to get the Prinsu for the Taco. We have a Cali raised light bar here and a CVT awning. It's a 55-inch awning. I haven't used it as much as I'd like because of how windy some of these locations are. So I went ahead and purchased the Cali raised bed rack as well to go along with the sliders. This Cali raised bed rack is holding up my Thule Tepui Kukanon 3. I have the ruggedized version rooftop tent. The soft shell tent has treated me well. Moving on, I have the Crazy Beaver shovel. I use this shovel all the time. It's been a great addition to the rack. I think it looks awesome. So we'll continue around the back here. So when I'm overlanding, there's a few essentials I need out here. One thing I always have with me at all times is my water port. So this thing is just a couple of quick pumps here, and I've got pressure. Not bad, huh? And it's also really cool too, because on my hitch here, we can just set it up. And hang out, ready to go. You can even open the tailgate with this on there, so got a bunch of space. I always come with a big duffel. This is what I put all my sleeping stuff in, sleeping bag, pillows. I've found that this bag helps because I don't like packing in my car. I like to be very efficient, set up and take down very quickly. So everything in one bag. It's water resistant, rain resistant, dirt resistant. So all my stuff stays pretty dry. And then always, always, always the one bin to rule them all. Shout out to Last Line of Defense. Anytime I go camping, I just grab this one bin and I'm ready to go. So it has all of my cooking supplies, hammocks, first aid kit. I just grab this and we're ready to camp. So on this side of the bed rack, we have the Roto Packs. I have a 2-gallon water and then a 2-gallon gas right here. So now I'm gonna take you guys into the cockpit. On the inside of my door panel here, I keep everything from Kleenex to hand wipes, face wipes, Q-tips, and then a toothbrush, of course. You never know when you need to brush your teeth, when you need to wash your hands. Little trusty buck knife right here. We got some patches held up right here. I have the Taco Garage mole mount up here, and that's how I have my RAM mount mounted up for my cell phone. It's fully customizable. Now moving into the driver's side back seat. This is where I have my alu box. So I like to bring a lot of dry supplies, propane, some dry food, chips, sodas, mac and cheese. There's the 2 solar panels, Tembo Tuscadle, front runner chairs, Jackery, and of course, Mr. Buddy right there. So bringing you guys to the front passenger door of my car here. This is kind of where I have all of my filming equipment, from my drone to GoPro to my camera, my Nikon, and then of course another Jackery here. The back passenger side here, I have my fridge, Behind the fridge, I have a little fold-out chair, a fold-out table, so if I need to deploy quickly. So that about does it for the rig walk around of White Lightning. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in to Adrian Overlands, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.